Hello everybody, welcome to another video. Let's provide a solution very quickly. Here we have to copy what we have given: 10 to the power of x, 10 plus 10 to the power of x plus 10 to the power of x to be equal to 600. Because we have same number, let's do the power of x. Here we factorize 10 power x to be 1 plus 1 plus 1 to be equal to 600, of course. Okay, then here 10 to the power of x, once we add them we get a 3 to be equal to 600. Now divide by 3, then our 10 to the power of x will be 600 divided by 3 is equal to 200. Now another thing to do here is to apply logarithm, and then we have logarithm of 10 to the power of x to be logarithm of 200, then x logarithm of 10 will be logarithm of 200, then logarithm of 10 dividing here logarithm of 10. Okay, this will provide x to be equal to logarithm of 200 to the base 10. Always we have 10 here. This is same as to write x over which equal to logarithm of 200. Now here we can check if our answer is correct, to mean that here we have given logarithm of 10 to the power, here we have given 10 power x plus 10 power x plus 10 power x, which equal to 600. Then here we have 10 to the power logarithm of 200, then plus 10 power logarithm of 200, then plus 10 power logarithm of 200 to be equal to 600 question mark. And of course here we have to apply this law when you have a power logarithm of b to the base a, and you know that here always base, when you don't have given or when they don't mention logarithm, it's base. Always we have base of 10, and then of course here I have 10 to mean that the number will be b. Okay, here this is equal to b. Okay, then here this will provide the 200 plus 200 plus 200 to be equal to 600 question mark. Then we have 600 to be equal to 600. Then left hand side and our right hand side are match, they are same. Thanks for watching. Don't forget, share and subscribe.